Beneath the surface of our oceans lies a world more mysterious and far louder than most people realize. In the last 50 years, scientists have recorded sounds so powerful, so strange, and so unexplained that some were heard from over 5,000 kilometers away. Massive booms, eerie calls, deep rumbling signals stretching across the entire Pacific. Some were eventually explained. Others, still completely unknown. Today, we dive into the loudest and most mysterious sounds ever recorded beneath the waves. Welcome to DeepMindArchive. The first sound on our list is also the most famous, the bloop. Recorded in 1997 by the U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, this strange, powerful signal shook the scientific world. The bloop was so loud that multiple underwater microphones, thousands of kilometers apart, picked it up. To put this into perspective, a blue whale, the loudest animal on Earth, couldn't even come close. The sound rose rapidly in frequency, almost like something alive. For years, theories exploded online. Was it a massive creature? Something bigger than any known whale? Or a geological event nobody had seen before? Eventually, NOAA suggested the source was an enormous ice shelf cracking apart in the far South Pacific. A natural event, but still on a scale almost impossible to imagine. Even today, many listeners say the bloop has an uncanny, biological quality. And with so few recordings of deep Antarctic ice, some still wonder if the full truth has ever been revealed. Next, Julia, recorded in 1999. Julia is different. Instead of a booming rumble, this sound was high, sharp, and haunting. It lasted less than 15 seconds, but was powerful enough to be heard across the Pacific. Scientists suggested it may have been a massive piece of ice scraping along the seafloor, but, just like the bloop, the exact location of the sound source was never fully confirmed. There's something unsettling about Julia. Its tone sounds almost mechanical, almost intentional, as if something in the deep shifted, groaned, and then vanished forever. It remains one of the most unsettling unexplained sounds ever recorded underwater. Now we move to something even stranger, because this sound is still active. This is Upsweep, first recorded in 1991. Unlike the bloop or Julia, which happened once, Upsweep has been repeating for more than 3 decades. It produces a long series of rising tones, like a chorus of eerie sirens, mostly during spring and fall. Scientists believe it may be connected to volcanic activity or hydrothermal vents. But again, nothing is confirmed. The fact that Upsweep appears seasonally suggests something alive, but no animal on Earth is known to produce anything like it. A natural sound that repeats for over 30 years, yet remains completely unexplained. In 1997, an even stranger sound was recorded. Scientists named it Slow Down, because the signal's frequency dropped steadily over 7 full minutes. Imagine a massive object dragging across the seafloor, slowing down as friction takes over. The leading theory? A giant iceberg grounding itself on the ocean floor. But again, the sound's tone was unusual, too smooth, too controlled. Some listeners swear it sounds artificial. Others believe it's purely geological. But nobody has replicated a sound like it since. Not all loud ocean sounds are famous. Some are simply disturbing. Underwater microphones have recorded booms louder than explosions, deep metallic whistles, pulses that repeat endlessly, and a strange whoop sound. Similar to a mechanical engine, many of these signals occur far from human activity, in regions with no submarines, ships, or seismic tests. Possible explanations include methane gas escaping the seafloor, volcanic chambers collapsing, tectonic plates shifting, or something we don't yet understand. The ocean is vast. And the deeper you go, the louder and stranger it becomes. To understand these sounds, we need to understand the world they travel through. Sound moves nearly 4 times faster underwater than in air. And in certain depths, known as the SOFAR channel, sound can travel thousands of kilometers, almost without losing energy. This hidden layer of the ocean acts like a natural tunnel, a highway for sound. A single event, even a small one, can echo across entire continents. It's why scientists sometimes describe the ocean as the world's largest microphone. So when something big happens down there, we hear it, even if we don't understand it. The ocean is louder, stranger, and more alive than we ever imagined. And for every sound we've explained, there are dozens more waiting in the dark. If you enjoyed exploring these mysteries with me, subscribe to DeepMindArchive for more. Until next time, stay curious.